I used to work at Boy Scout summer camp. Every week, I had to take a big group of campers to a scheduled spot for their wilderness survival badge, where they had to build a shelter out of sticks, leaves, and etc., and sleep in it overnight. The spot was only about 1.2 miles from the main camp, but we took them a circuitous road that made it seem really scheduled. Anyways, on this one night, all the campers had made their shelters, we had cooked dinner, and were all just sitting around the campfire. It was getting late, maybe 11, so I sent all the campers to their shelters for the night and started cleaning up the fire. That's when we heard in the distance what sounded like church bells. They were pretty faint, but myself and my fellow staffers could definitely hear them. We went on for about 30 minutes, ringing over 30 seconds or so. We were all a little creeped out, as there were no churches or towns within 20 miles of us. After the bells stopped, though, the singing started. It was too faint to hear the words, but it sounded like church choir music. But a lot of people, and a lot more enthusiastic. Also, it was almost midnight at this point. The singing went on for well over an hour, sometimes quieting down until we almost couldn't hear it, sometimes getting too loud and we thought it was getting closer. All of the campers were super creeped out, but I liked them, telling them there was a church service going on in the camp, and that there was nothing to be scared of. Eventually, at almost 1 a.m., the singing stopped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Horror Short Stories.